Okay, so your eyes are all done. Now it's time for foundation. What kind do you like? When selecting your foundation, you want to choose a type that fits into your daily routine. What does that mean? For example, if you apply makeup on the go, like in the car or at the gym, then liquid may not be the best choice, simply because it can get messy. In that case, you can choose cream for more coverage or press powder for a sheer blur, because both options are solid and come in a compact. Let's go over some more specifics. I will start with the most common, liquid. Liquid foundation is available in light, medium, or sheer coverage. It's also available in natural, radiant, or matte finishes. When choosing how much coverage you want, just think about stockings. Do you prefer regular, sheer, or opaque? How much of your natural skin do you really want to cover? How much of your natural skin do you want to show through? Cream foundation is full coverage and oil-based. It normally comes in a compact or a stick. This is a great option if you are on the go and really want a lot of coverage in one step. Powder foundation is the lightest coverage of them all. It's a great choice if you just want something quick. Loose powder is great for oily skin, while pressed powder is a better choice for dry skin. Last, there are BB creams, CC creams, and tinted moisturizers. The one thing these all have in common is SPF. It's a great option if you want SPF, moisturizer, and a sheer base all in one product. You can typically use your fingers since it's so sheer, so it's still an okay option for on the go. Pro tip: the more coverage, the heavier it will feel on your skin. So what foundation makes sense for your beauty routine?